In this video, we'll walk you through the new Joget DX Process Builder feature. The Process Builder is a powerful tool that lets you design and manage processes directly in your browser. No extra installation needed. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can easily build workflows, automate tasks, and integrate them seamlessly into your applications. Unlike previous Joget DX versions, DX9 introduces a brand new toolbar designed to make process design smoother and faster. This new toolbar helps with navigation and process building, giving you more control and flexibility when designing workflows. Let's take a closer look at each feature. Auto Layout. Instantly organize your process. Auto Layout automatically organizes nodes on the canvas, creating a clean and structured flowchart with minimal effort. Highlight. To focus on selected elements. The highlight feature makes it easier to focus on selected nodes and their connections, especially helpful in complex or dense diagrams. Navigator. Quick overview of your workflow. The Navigator opens a mini-map that gives you a bird's-eye view of your entire canvas, allowing you to move quickly across large or detailed processes. Undo and redo to manage your recent edits. Undo reverts your last action, while redo restores the last change you reverted. Copy and paste. Reuse elements quickly. Copy duplicates the selected element, and paste places the copied element onto the canvas. Fit to screen. Center your process view. Fit to screen centers and refocuses the entire process in view, ensuring everything fits perfectly within the canvas. Zoom in and out. Adjust your process view. Zoom out for a wider perspective and zoom in to see detailed parts of your process, making it easier to edit and review your workflow efficiently. And that's a quick tour of the new Joget DX Process Builder toolbar. These tools help make your workflow creation cleaner, faster, and more efficient. Thank you! If you need more information or encounter any issues, the official documentation and Joget community are always available to help.